So let's see how to make this lazy Susan, or maybe it's also called as rotating organizer with cardboard. Come on, let's get into the video. The first and foremost thing is we need cardboard pieces. So I'm taking 15 into 7 centimeter cardboard pieces. I have 6 pieces over here and one more extra piece. This is 15 into 9.5 centimeters. I'm going to shape this into a cylinder. This is the center part of the organizer. So let me stick with this glue gun. We need the base for this piece, right? So I'm going to mark the edges of this and connect the points to cut a circle. You can also use any compass or plates to connect these points. I'm just drawing rough. I'm going to stick the bottom to the circle. Now it's time to use my homemade glue. I'm going to stick the tissue papers onto the surface of this organizer. You can also use newspaper. I'm using tissue paper instead of newspaper so that I need not use the base white coat. I can directly paint the colors onto this. Once you finish this process, let this dry. Now take one more circle that's 0.5 cm larger in radii than the base of the organizer. I'm going to cut the stripes. Maybe the width is 1 cm or 1.5 cm. That's your wish. Let's make these stripes flexible using a pencil or pen. Again, get a cardboard piece of width 7.5 centimeters and the length should cover the circumference of the organizer. I am adding one more cardboard piece to the bottom to make this more and more stronger. For the homemade glue recipe, I have given the link in the description box. You can go and check it out. I think that will be more useful for you in this long time period. some pop sticks and cut them into half, because we are going to use them for the fidget spinner. My fidget spinner is actually detachable, so I have stacked that first before coloring the base. If yours is not detachable, you can color first and then stick the spinner. Before attaching this to the base, let's give some colors to our organizer. I'm gonna use homemade colors. This is actually homemade acrylic colors. You can check this link in the description box. I have made more than 7 colors. So I'm going to give rainbow colors to my organizer. With all my homemade acrylic colors. This is my favorite sky blue color. Let's give some golden touch to the edges. I'm using acrylic golden paint here, or you can also use metallic powder. It's time to attach now, so I am gonna attach this piece. It's rotating good. I'm going to organize my things, my clay making tools, paint brushes, glue sticks, and more stationery materials like pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, and a lot. I got all these stuffs in one organizer. So thank you for watching our video. Stay connected with our channel. I'll be uploading more and more videos in this lockdown period. If you really liked our video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon, because these things do motivate me a lot. Thank you.